Hey everybody, welcome back to Shopping Spree with Leslie. I'm at Walmart right now and they have 90% off. 50% off the candy, Airheads. They have a lot of stuff, y'all. The candies are 50% off. Here's some of these. Here's the barcode if you want to check. So much stuff, y'all. %90. This is cute, y'all. Here's the barcode. So much stuff, y'all. And so far, this is what I found in the clearance aisle. This blouse, sweater, and it is regular $14.97, and it's down to $9. They have them in green, cream, this color, and then I found some jeans. They're like capris, and they are regular $22.94, and they're down to $13, y'all. Then lastly, I found these little slide-in sandals, regular $9.97, down to $3. So check out y'all's Walmarts, y'all. And right now we're just getting food for the house because it's still icy and there's a lot of snow. And right now me and my husband are just looking around right now. So just check out y'all's Walmarts, y'all. And whoever lives down south in Texas, y'all be careful, be safe, stay warm. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thank y'all for watching.